This is what it looks like now, period. They've tried to pull it down a bunch of times, but unfortunately it wants to stay together for some reason. So they're having to go get an official demolition style bucket to be able to take it down, period. They said that hopefully the guy will be here in like 10 or 15 minutes. And once it's down, then he can move everything over to the fire. And at that point, it should be able to get done today, and they can just smooth the dirt over, and we're good to go.